So back at it again after about another 15 minutes of working on this. It's coming out pretty good. I don't know if you can see, but there's a bunch of little tiny ripples. I'm gonna try to smooth them out. And there's this spot right here, right where the core of the dent was. As you can see, just knocking down them low spots, them high spots. Really help bring that out. It's almost there. Taking this big flat one, it's actually got a curve on it. And cover a little more surface area and try to knock some of these flat. Pretty hard to see them. I'm just going by feel here. Getting real close. Take a break again. Put your tiny little ripples, just gonna try to straighten them out. I've got most of this. Just right here. Getting there slowly, just hard as heck getting this one out. Just can't reach in there to put a pressure on the inside. Pushing up on the low spot, trying to knock the high spot down. It's getting there just bear with me, we'll get her.